There's a reason why, when you think of advanced manufacturing, Windsor-Essex in Ontario, Canada comes to mind. We've been leaders and innovators in the industry for over 100 years. As a matter of fact, we've been instrumental in the development of modern advanced manufacturing. And we've remained an industry leader because of 4 simple factors: our people, our knowledge, our research, and our infrastructure. With over 1,000 manufacturers in our region, including many with lightweight manufacturing capabilities, Windsor-Essex generates over $3.5 billion in annual GDP in the advanced manufacturing sector alone. So why are over 90 auto and parts manufacturers and over 250 machine, tool die, and mold manufacturers happy to call Windsor-Essex home? Well, the list of reasons is long, but here's the short of it. First is our supply chain and access to market. We are located less than 1 mile from the United States. The headquarters for 6 automotive OEMs are within 160 miles of us, with Fiat Chrysler Automobile's Canadian headquarters located right here in downtown Windsor. We're home to the busiest commercial border crossing in North America, accounting for over 1/3 of all Canada-US trade. With $4.4 billion in infrastructure upgrades, including the recently completed Herb Gray Parkway and the Gordie Howe International Bridge, now under construction, we now have improved access to highway connections, deep water ports, a U.S. integrated rail system, and international airport. We are literally situated at the hub of North American industrial trade. Our infrastructure is second to none. Our advanced manufacturing technical capabilities are backed up by a manufacturing workforce of over 40,000 people. The University of Windsor is home to the $112 million Center for Engineering Innovation and the $500 million Chrysler Automotive R&D Center. St. Clair College, with over 140 engineering and related graduates annually, is home to the Ford Center for Excellence in Manufacturing. Whether it's our low cost for every square foot or every hour of labor, we know we're business friendly. So if your focus is advanced manufacturing and you need capacity, capability, experience, and expertise, look no further and proudly state, made in Windsor-Essex. Because locating here is a smart business decision. To learn more about opportunities in Windsor-Essex, visit investwindsoressex.com.